Greetings from 7 Sense Talent Solutions. I am Vinod Prabhu. In this video, we will show you how you can access the TCS NQT specific training on our portal 7sensetalent.com. The training commences from 10th October 2020. Your email addresses were shared by your college, and all the email addresses that were shared by your college have been registered on our portal. So, if you haven't shared the email addresses with your college, or if the college hasn't included this for some reason, you will not be able to access. This is only for the registered students, and for students who are watching this who haven't registered, who still want to access it, you can click on the link given in the description of this video. For others, they would have been automatically enrolled. If you have been enrolled by your college, you do not have to pay anything to access the TCS NQT specific training. If you have not been enrolled by the college, or if you're watching this because your friend shared it with you, you can enroll with the link in this description. So for people enrolled by the college, again I repeat, for people enrolled by the college, this is free. So click 7sensetalent.com, type that in the browser window. Once this window loads, click on login. Okay, use the email address that was given to the college, or that is in the college database. Okay, because the college has given us from their database, enter that particular email. So for example, if this is a dummy email, so I'll just show that to you here. And you don't know the password, right? Because if you not use the portal, you will not know the password. Then click on forgot password. This option that you see here, click on forgot password. And when you do that, you will have an email which contains the password reset link, which will be sent to your email address. So let's check the email. You will get an email like this which says forgot password email and your password reset link. You can click on this link to reset the password. Click on this link and you can enter the password here. So, and it says password successfully changed. Now go to the login page with the password that you have set and enter the password here. So you've gotten the password that you have set, right? You have set this password and click on login. Once you click on login, it will allow you. This is not an error. It is just a notification which says check out the new placement opportunities offered to registered students. You can scroll down. You can check the different packages. This package gives you access to placement opportunities, 50 placement opportunities for the batch of 2021. And you have different packages. You can check this on our portal. Once you do that, for the registered students, if you explored, you can click on my courses. Once you click on, you will get this window. These courses you will not be able to see. Okay, so you will be able to see this course, TCS NQT, and a few other courses. This is what we offer to our registered students on PlaceSense 2021. So these are the different college specific packages. You get the learning videos, etc. People who enroll for PlaceSense 2021 get it. But for the TCS NQT, you will have this course that will be visible in your my courses. Click on my courses, click on that, and you can click on start the course. You can find the schedule here on the left. You can find the schedule of this particular training. You will find the schedule of this particular training, and you can click on this will be an upcoming video. So the first class starts on 10th October at 7:30 a.m. and it will get loaded here. I'll just show you how it will look in the subsequent one of the old training sessions we did for TCS Digital. I'll show you how it looks there. This was a session we had done for TCS Digital. People who missed the live sessions can also watch the recordings here. So this is a session day 2 slot 1, day 2 slot 2. All of the sessions are available here. This would not be available to you. This would be for the TCS Digital program that we just completed. These are the recording sessions. I just wanted to show that to you here. The NQT session similarly will come here at 10th October at 7:30 a.m. Please log in and watch. Again, I repeat, the students who have been registered only for the TCS specific training will find only this in their login window. These are the other courses that are PlaceSense 2021 registered students get in. If you want to see how to register for PlaceSense 2021, including getting 50 opportunities like this would be the name of your college. You can click on that and you'll have 50 different opportunities for the PlaceSense 2021 students to register. That is chargeable. You can click on the home page. In the home page, this PlaceSense 2021 account is there. But this TCS NQT course will be free for all the registered students. If you have not been registered by the college, or if your college has not registered with us, you can click the link in this description and register for that package. People who want to purchase PlaceSense 2021 can access PlaceSense 2021 here. But the TCS NQT, again I repeat, is free for all the registered students if your college has shared the database with us. Thank you so much and all the best. Team 7 Sense wishes you the best for TCS NQT. Thank you. Bye bye.